This video will introduce you to sherry appetizer that is easily done at your home. It will be the first of 5 videos that will introduce you and inspire you to use sherry wine as the main wine for your next dinner party. So please stay tuned. Hi, my name is Lars Holmberg, the creator of Vino Vibras, the place for wine lovers to get news about Spanish wine, fortified wine, and also introduce you, hopefully, to new ideas within these wines. So please consider to hit my like button or subscribe to my channel. The 5 video will hopefully show you the variety of sherry wine. Sherry wine which are produced in the western part of Andalusia, in the southern Spain, or more precise, in 3 towns, El Puerto de Santa Maria, San Luca de Barrameda, and Jerez de la Frontera.
Glass of sherry.
Sherry is a fortified wine, which means that it is distilled spirit added to the wine during the wine process. Hence, it gets higher alcohol contents between 15 to 22%. So why not be the first to arrange or organize a dinner for your friends or your family and introduce them to the variety of sherry. Today I'll show you 3 different sherry appetizers that you can easily make. The cream Negroni, this one, which contains white rum, Campari and cream sherry. The white rum is Ron Plata from Montero. You put 60 milliliters of white rum, you take 20 milliliters of the Campari, and then you take 20 milliliters of a cream sherry. I took this cream sherry, which is a blended sherry. Cream sherry is always blended. It's blended by 80% Oloroso, 20% Pedro Ximénez. This one is Barbadillo, which is a bodega in La San Luca de Barrameda. It has been on the market for at least 100 years. The Oloroso in this sherry is actually a result of the sherry maturing under air. It gives a more brown color to the sherry and also less bitterness. The Pedro Ximénez is the sweet sherry, so when you add this you have a very sweet, nice sherry. The next one is a sherry Spritz. For that I will use my cream sherry again. I will use a good CAVA, Brut. This is a Brut Reserva from the bodega Perelada. It's very nice, it's fruity and has good bubbles. And then you will add some ginger syrup. You can make that easily yourself. So what I will do, I will take 50 milliliters of cream sherry, 10 to 15 milliliters of ginger syrup, depending on what you like, and top up with a good CAVA. You have some orange peel in it, just for the look of it. That will be the second one. The last one is a classic in Spain. It's not gin and tonic, it's Fino and tonic. It's called Reporrito in Spain. For that I use a Fino QUINTA, which is a Fino from the bodega Osborne in El Puerto de Santa Maria. 1 part of Fino and 2 parts of tonic water. I have a fever tree tonic water here, which I prefer. You can also use it as, instead of Fino, you can use a Manzanilla. The difference is actually where it comes from. You get Fino from El Puerto de Santa Maria or Jerez de la Frontera. If it comes from San Lucas de Barrameda, it's called Manzanilla. Manzanilla has a tendency of being a bit more salty, less sharp in the taste, but I prefer for this a Fino. This is the 3 aperitifs that I will propose to you for a starter when you start the dinner for your friends, using sherry as the main wine. So please consider to hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. Thank you.